What's up, everyone? I'm JB. I've got another Sole Supremacy beater box. This is basically just a mystery box of sneakers. You don't really know what you're going to get until you get into it. This box cost me $400 and $40 shipping, so $440 total. Go ahead and get into this. No loose shoes this time, so it's always a plus. Get right into this. Air Max Deluxe. I'm not sure about these. Size 4. So these are our, can't tell if these are used or not, but they're very good condition. Like I said, size 4, so let's see what kind of value we have for those. Next up, Zoom Kobe 7. Size 9. And these are definitely used. Actually a size 9, making sure. Sometimes you never know what you're going to get. Alright, next, Air Force 1 High. Some Air Forces. These are kind of cool. So, let's see what else we got in here. Zoom Fly. I get a lot of these, you guys. Size 11 and a half. Shoe bag with it. These are in pretty good condition. Kind of cool. All right. 4 more. Jordan 9. And some cool grays. Looks like it's going to be light use. Pretty good condition. It's a nice shoe, actually. Alright, Jordan 1, mid. Size 12. I'm not usually a big fan of the mids, but this isn't a bad looking shoe. Looks like brand new condition. Yeah, it's gonna be brand new. Alright, what's next? Air Max 270. Flyknit. Again, looks like brand new shoes, but I'm not sure what the value is going to be. Actually kind of surprised for a $400 box that everything has a shoe box. Another Air Force One. Let's see what we got here. Oh, lint. More lint than dirt, I would say. I guess there's some value here. You let me know how you think I did. See you next time.